Actually, the clay balls are good for plants. The clay balls, also known as a clay pebble, are good for plants in hydroponic and aquaponic systems. They are like small, porous rock that help the plant to grow well. The holes in the clay balls let the air reach the plant roots and prevent them from getting too wet. This is important because too much water can harm the roots. Clay balls also don't change the soil acidity, which is good for the plants. Another cool thing is that you can clean and use them again. So they save money. They are light and easy to use. But remember, they don't have the plant food. So you still need to give your plant to the right nutrient. Overall, clay balls are a useful part of system where plants grow without soil.